Good morning everyone, I'm Kushal Mishra of class 11th of Gurunanak Modern School, Kalyanpur, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And my innovative idea for Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 is SEBPS or Smart Emergency Vehicle Parking System. So in India, it happens many a times that emergency vehicles could not reach their destination because of traffic jams or there is a red signal on the crossroads, which leads to delay. So it's a really big problem which we face. So for that, I have proposed an idea of SEVPS, which will work upon the three main system: wireless system, GPS integration, and operator control. So how it will work is there will be a GPS inside the vehicle which will track all the routes which will lead to the destination. There is a signal transmission which will check out all the traffic lights and ensure prioritizing the way for the emergency vehicle to pass through the way. And there will be traffic light adjustment, so there can be a smooth coordination of all the traffic lights for the passage of the vehicle. It would require three main systems. So first of all, we would have to upgrade the vehicle module. We require a vehicle module which will be used by the operator who would be seated beside the driver, who can choose the path or the route. And there is a signal receiver which will receive the signals from the operator, and it will coordinate accordingly, and there will be an operator interface which will give a better view to the operator. Now for the traffic signal receiver, the signal processing works in a way that no